Viewers, let's continue our tutorial on the WASSCE 2024 Nigeria edition. Question number 49. We are picking from the bottom. So the fourth and the eighth terms of an arithmetic progressions are in 16 and 14 respectively. We have to find the common difference. So we need to find the nth term of any arithmetic word progression. So this will be by recall. We know the nth term is a plus n minus 1 times d, where a is the first term, d is the common term, and n stands for the number of terms. So now we are referring to the fourth term. So when n equals to 4, it means your fourth term will become a plus 4 minus 1, that will be 3 times d. This fourth term is what we are having to be equals to 16. Then when n is also given to us as the eighth term, then our eighth term will become a plus 8 minus 1, 7 times d equals to what? 40. So these two equations is what we are going to be dealing with simultaneously, because this is of two variables, so we can solve it simultaneously. So now if I label this as equation 1 and this as equation 2, since they have the same coefficient, I'll be doing subtraction. So we can subtract equation 2 minus equation 1, meaning a minus a, and that will give us 0. 7d minus 3d will give us 4d equals to 40 minus 16, I guess that will be 24. So now we need the d by dividing by the coefficient. So that becomes 4d divided by 4, 24 divided by 4. So d will give you the value to be what? 6. So therefore, the common difference is going to be 6, and that will be the option B on the question paper. So I guess the transition from here all the way to get a D at 6 is okay by you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, like, share, and let's get interactive. Bye-bye.